Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faiz. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about crystal structure. I will focus mainly on solid state chemistry, especially crystalline solid. So, first of all, we learn about what is crystals. A crystal is a solid in which atoms are arranged in some regular repetitions pattern in all directions. Aggregations of molecules with a definite internal structure and the external form of a solid enclosed by symmetrically arranged plane faces. Friend, what is the structures? The structure of anything is defined as the framework of its body. Now, you can see here crystal is equal to lattice plus base. So, what is the basis? What is the motif or basis? Typically an atom or group of atoms associated with each lattice point. So lattice, the underlying periodicity of the crystals, and basis, entity associated with each lattice point. So lattice, translationally periodic arrangement of points, and crystal, translationally periodic arrangement of motifs. Lattice, how to repeat, and motif, what to repeat. Now crystal, lattice, where to repeat, and motif, what to repeat. So this is the crystals, this is the lattice, and this is the motif. All parts of the motif do not sit on the lattice point. Now let us construct the crystal considered before, starting with an infinite array of points spaced a by 2 apart. So friend, let us construct the crystal considered before, starting with an infinite array of points spaced a by 2 apart. You can see here one point, another point, a by 2. Put arrow marks pointing up and down alternatively on the points. You can see what we get is a crystal of lattice parameter a and not a by 2, and the motif is up plus down, not lattice point. So 1D crystal, a strict 1D crystals, 1D lattice plus 1D motif. The only kind of 1D motif is a line segment. An unit cell is a representative unit of the structure, finite part of infinite structure, which when repeated gives the whole structure. You can see the lattice, motifs, and crystals. In 2D crystal is equal to 2D lattice plus 2D motif, lattice, and you can see the motif. So this is the lattice and motif crystals. In 3D crystal, 3D lattice and 3D motifs. Crystal or space lattice, it is defined as the array of points in 3 dimensions in which every point has surroundings identical to every other point in array. According to Bravais There are 40 possible types of space lattice in 7 basic crystal system. Now 7 crystal system. This is cubic crystals. A is equal to B is equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Simple cubic P, simple cubic. Body centered cubic BCC. Face centered cubic FCC. Elements with cubic structure: simple cubic F and O, BCC chromium Fe, Nb, potassium tungsten, FCC Al, Ar, Pb, nickel, germanium. Now simple cubic structure. Cubic unit cell is 3D repeat units. Rare only polonium has this structure. Coordination number 6. Nearest neighbors. You can see. Atomic packing factor APF is equal to volume of atoms in unit cell. Volume of unit cell. Assume hard sphere. You can see here A R is equal to 0.5 A. Close packed directions contains 8 into 1 by 8, 1 atom per unit cell. Here 1 atoms unit cell, volume per atom and volume unit cell. 1 4 by 3 by 0.5 A whole cube, A cube volume unit cell. Body centered cubic structure. Coordination number 8. Nearest neighbor. Atomic packing factor BCC. Close pack directions length 4R is equal to root 3A. Unit cell C contains 1 plus 8 into 1 by 8, 2 atoms per unit cell. Atoms per unit cell 2. Volume per atom 4 by 3 by root 3A by 4 whole cube divided by volume per unit cell A cube. Now atoms are arranged at the corners and center of each cube face of the cell. Atoms are assumed to touch along face diagonals. Coordination number 12. Nearest neighbors. Atomic packing factor FCC. Close pack directions length 4R root 2A. Unit cell C contains 6 into half plus 8 into 1 by 8, 4 atoms per unit cell. Atoms per unit cell 4, 4 by 3 pi root 2A by 4 whole cube. Volume per atom A cube volume per unit cell. FCC stacking sequence. FCC unit cell. ABC stacking sequence. 2D projections. A sites, B sites and C sites. Hexagonal close packed structure SCP. Ideally C by A is equal to 1.6334 close packing. However, in most metals C by A ratio deviates from this value. AB stacking sequence 3D project. A sites, B sites, A sites. So 2D projections, top layer, middle layer and bottom layer. Coordination number 12. APF is equal to 0.74 for ideal C by A ratio of 1.633. Now close packed structure. A layer, B layer, A layer. You can see AB, A layer, C layer and B layer, again A layer. So this is the close packed structure. Now close packed structure, you can see A plane, B plane and C plane. So AB packing, hexagonal close packing, and ABC face center close packing. Now you see simple cubic present in polonium, BCC iron, FCC and CCP copper, and BC in diamond. Now tetragonal crystals, A is equal to B, B is not equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Simple tetragonal, body center tetragonal, BCT. Elements with tetragonal structure, indium Nt. Example of an element which body center tetragonal crystal structure, BCT. Orthorhombic crystal, A is not equal to B is not equal to C, alpha beta gamma is equal to 90 degree. Simple orthorhombic, body centered orthorhombic, face centered orthorhombic, end centered orthorhombic. Elements with orthorhombic structure, bromine, chlorine and calcium. Elements with orthorhombic crystal structure, hexagonal crystal, A is equal to B is not equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree, gamma is equal to 120 degree. Simple hexagonal. Elements with hexagonal structure, beryllium, cadmium. Elements with hexagonal structure, trigonal rhombohedral crystal, A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. Rhombohedral simple, elements with trigonal structure, arsenic, boron, bismuth and mercury. Elements with simple trigonal crystal structure, monoclinic crystals, A is not equal to B is not equal to C, and alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree but not beta is not 90 degree. Simple monoclinic, end center, base centered monoclinic. Element with monoclinic structure, phosphorus, Pu, PO. Triclinic system, A is not equal to B is not equal to C, alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma. Simple triclinic. So 14 Bravais lattice divided into 7 crystal system, cubic, P, I, F, 3 present, Bravais lattice, shape of UC and crystal system. Tetragonal square prism, PI, orthorhombic rectangular prism, PIFC, hexagonal 120 degree rhombic prism, only P, trigonal parallelopiped, equilateral equiangulars, only P, monoclinic parallelogramic prism, P and C, triclinic parallelopiped, only P. So this is the 14 Bravais lattice. So P for primitive, I for body centered, F for face centered, C for ABC centered. So face centered cubic FCC lattice, 2 carbon atoms, motif 0 0 and 1 by 4 1 by 4 1 by 4. This is the diamond cubic crystals. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.